Alrighty, time to pull the door panel off on this to get to the speaker, and we'll swap out the speaker with the full cal, and that's pretty much all we're doing. Okay, that's nice and easy. Okay, rotate this up. That comes right out. Real simple. We got this guy here. And then we'll just, I just love these old Jeeps. It's so simple. A couple screws, a couple easy Christmas trees to take off. Yeah, it's fantastic. This is the only slightly difficult part. Sweet. Eventually I'll probably paint the chrome black or just buy, oh hey Lola. Okay, just up like that, slide it that way, and pull off this. Well, it's gonna be great to be able to use this in the Comanche. So these aren't gonna go to waste, which is good. Custom setup I made for this. What I'd actually done was took the original speaker and cut off the connectors from the original speaker, and then just used a little quick connect and some wires I had crimped already, and worked for the time being. Okay. Probably looking in here. Got pieces of a little wet in here. Got lots of sand. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a wet sand. So we'll get all that vacuumed out actually. All right. So I got this all cleaned out. I used some of the Prep All stuff to prep the surface so this stuff will stick. And then I've just been kind of cutting this in half so I can slide it in through here. Oh, excellent. We'll just slide it in through here. Slide it over. Make our way up there. And we'll take our roller, roll it on. Alright, so I got the kill mat all installed, the sound deadening material all installed on here. I think I'm just going to put a big piece of foam on the inside here. There was a piece from the factory, like this rubberized foam. So I think we'll just stick one kind of right in there. That worked out all right. Put it as much as I can. That way when I gotta replace the window regulator, I gotta take the sound deadening out. Alright, let's get this speaker loom all done here. So I'm gonna get this plugged in here. I hear a 4-liter. Yep. Okay, get that loom onto there, maybe to right there. Cut that. Sweet. pass a tape on the connector here. Make sure we have no rattles. This up here. Hey,
What you working on?
my stereo. Great. All right, so we got that. That's all done up nicely. Unplug this guy in. Perfect. Perfect. Just like that. Then we'll have, I like to have the tweeters pointing up at least. Try using this. See how well this goes. I mean, it's gonna be onto the plastic, so I don't know how well it's gonna turn out, but look at that. That looks pretty slick. Man, that sounds great. Just like that. Nice, that actually worked really well. I'm gonna install that on the other door as well. Yep. Get this locked back in. Okay. Okay. Cool. Installed. Wow, is that nice? Hey Lola. Boy, is this nice. It's like a BMW now. Wow. That is sweet. Alrighty, so we got the passenger rear all done. Got that foam in there, but it sounds excellent. I also lubed up the window here. It was very stiff before, and now it goes down nice and easy. So a little bit of WD-40 in here, and then on the inside of this track, just do some WD-40 in here, up in here, just all that. Make that all nice and good. Go ahead and get this back situated. Very good. All right, let's listen for this one. Ooh, yeah. Man, that is nice. Nice and easy to roll down, easy to roll up. That is very nice. Alrighty. Whole car is sound deadened. All right, so last I gotta do is this door. Center console out. You can see we got the console out. Unbolted the seat, so I'll pull the seat out and then pull up this carpet and then sound deaden the rest of it. And then everything will be sound deadened. And then for the next video, I'll be wiring up the amplifier that I'm gonna probably put in underneath the seat here. So that'll be the next video. This video is just kind of doing the sound deadening, finishing up those speakers. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and pull this guy out. There we go. She looks nice. Grab these bolts, my tools, and then we gotta just get these two seat belts unbolted, and then we can rip this carpet out. Old Chrysler 53907, that's funny. There we go. Still have a little rust starting here, so we'll clean that up. But everywhere else looks perfect. Yeah, look at that. That is so nice. It's barely rusty. All right, so there's the before. Sprayed over that rust with some rust back to metal. So that's good. We're working on the kill mat here. This area was unpainted too from the factory, so that's probably why that was starting to rust just a little bit. So we'll take care of that. That will do nicely. All right, just finished up the kill mat, sound deadening stuff. So, gotta put that back. I'll put that back underneath there. But that's what that looks like. I'll do the roller to roll it all on. All right, so just finished up putting all the foam on it. Got that piece back underneath there, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. So now I just got to run the main wire to the amplifier, and then the 9 wire from the radio to the amplifier, and we will be set to go. So there you go. So we got the roof done, floor is done, all the doors are done. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.